everyone. Welcome to our English class.
Hi, we are very happy you are here with us today.
In this video, you will listen to a long English story.
This story is told through a natural conversation between two sisters.
We will use easy English, simple words, and clear sentence.
You don't need to understand every word.
Just listen, relax, and enjoy the story.
As you listen, you will learn how English sounds in real life.
Please stay and listen to the whole video.
The story changes little by little, and each part helps you learn more.
If you stay until the end, you will feel more confident with English.
Now, let's begin our story.
Hey sister, do you remember yesterday morning?
Yes, I do. Yesterday was a strange day.
It was strange, but also interesting.
I woke up feeling very tired.
Me too. I didn't want to get out of bed.
I stayed in bed for a long time.
Same here. I looked at the ceiling and thought about the day.
What were you thinking about?
I was thinking, I want a calm day today.
I want the same thing.
When I finally got up, everything felt slow.
Yes, the morning felt quiet and slow.
I went to the kitchen.
I was already there.
You were making breakfast.
Yes, I opened the fridge and looked inside.
There wasn't much food.
Just eggs and milk.
That was enough.
I made eggs and the smell was nice.
After breakfast, I felt better.
Food always helps.
I looked outside through the window.
How was the weather?
It was sunny and calm.
That kind of weather makes me feel happy.
Me too. It gives me good energy.
Then we talked about going out.
At first, you didn't want to go out.
I felt lazy and comfortable at home.
I understood that feeling.
But then I thought, let's try something different.
And that changed the day. When we left the house, I felt nervous.
I felt excited.
Different feelings, same moment.
We walked together and talked.
We talked about our lives.
We talked about learning English.
You said you wanted to speak better.
Yes, I want to feel confident.
I told you that you are doing great.
Then something funny happened.
I remember that.
You touch your pocket and stop walking.
I forgot my phone.
We laughed a lot,
I felt embarrassed.
but it was okay.
We decided not to go back.
Yes, we said, it's fine.
That moment felt free.
No phone, just us and the day.
Later, we sat down in a quiet place.
It was peaceful.
We talked about dreams.
I said I want to learn more.
I said I want to help people.
We listened to each other.
Time passed very fast.
Yes, when you enjoy a moment, time moves fast.
The sun slowly went down.
The sky changed colors.
I felt calm.
I felt thankful.
When we walked back home, I felt lighter.
Me too. I didn't feel tired anymore.
Just relaxed.
Just peaceful.
At home, we sat quietly.
No music, no TV.
Just silence.
Silence can be good.
It helps us think.
That day taught me something.
What did it teach you?
That simple moments are important.
I learned that too.
Learning English is similar.
Yes, small words, simple sentence.
Little by little.
Step by step.
You don't need difficult English.
You need practice
You need patience.
and confidence.
If you are still watching the video,
Thank you for staying with us.
it means you care about learning.
And that makes us very happy.
We will continue making stories like this.
Stories that help you learn English naturally.
If you enjoyed this story,
Please subscribe to our channel.
and do not forget to like this video.
Your support helps us create more English stories.
Thank you for learning with us.
See you in the next video.